I hope you're all having a wonderful first week of December. Today's video is one that I've been looking forward to sharing with you for a really long time. This is part 1 of my Christmas series for 2020. Over the next few weeks, I have a whole range of festive content planned, including Christmas DIYs, a bunch of recipes, some gift ideas, and more, so I really hope you guys enjoy these as much as I've enjoyed creating them. This week, we decorated our home for Christmas, so I'll be taking you along with me and showing you what we get up to when it comes to Christmas decor. So grab yourself a cozy drink, sit back and relax, and follow along as we decorate our home for Christmas. First up, we started in the living room and put up our Christmas tree. My husband and I love to travel, and we have a little tradition where whenever we travel to a new country, we try and pick up a Christmas ornament for our tree. Over the years, we've managed to collect quite a few beautiful and unique ornaments, and it's just something that makes our Christmas tree feel a whole lot more personal and special to us. As we decorate, I'll show you the different ornaments that we've collected during our travels, and I'll also put a caption on the screen just to let you know where they're from, and if there's no caption, then all those ornaments were from here in Australia. Once the Christmas tree was up, we went ahead and decorated the rest of the living room. For the coffee table, I used this white lantern and these Christmas floral stems, which I purchased from Bed Bath & Table. I just went ahead and placed them in a formation that I thought looked nice and then popped them onto this wicker tray. If you've watched my Reading Nook video, you'll probably already recognize this one. This is a Christmas globe that we picked up from TK Maxx a couple of years ago. We normally keep it tucked away in our bookshelves when it's not Christmas, but today I'm going to go ahead and place that in the wicker tray along with the lantern. These are stocking holders that we also purchased from TK Maxx a few years ago. I really love the look of these. I don't have to put any nails into the wall, and we usually like to change up our Christmas decor every year, so we can just place these on any surface and then go ahead and hang our stockings from them. And the final touches to the living room were these beautiful nutcrackers. This one that lights up is probably my favorite, and it was actually gifted to me by a friend who purchased it during her travels in Singapore. We have 3 of these, so it made sense to pop them on the 3 ledges on this wall. The next room we decorated was our reading nook. I've actually been wanting to purchase some sort of a side table or a stool for this room for a long time, and I ended up going with these banana fiber stools from IKEA. These can actually be used as either a footrest or a seat, or you can also turn it into a little side table by placing a tray on top. This is probably the room that we spend the most time relaxing in, so we wanted to make this one extra cozy. I ended up placing a mini Christmas tree on top of the stool and then decorating that with some string lights from Kmart and also some mini baubles. Next up was hanging our Christmas wreath. You've probably figured out by now that I love my string lights. They're just a great way to add some extra coziness to your decor, and they're perfect to wrap around a Christmas wreath to give it that extra festive touch. And before we moved on to the dining room, we hung up this Christmas banner in our entryway. And the final room we decorated was our dining room. This year I kept the dining table decor pretty minimal by creating a handmade wreath which I used as the centerpiece. This was actually my first attempt at making a wreath, and I was pretty happy with the end result. I'll be sharing a video later this week that just goes through the steps on how to make this one, just in case you wanted to give it a try at home. I went ahead and placed the wreath at the center of the dining table. I then used a mason jar, and of course I reached for those fairy lights, popped them into the jar, and then placed that in the center of the wreath. And that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some ideas when it comes to Christmas decor. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.